I'm not sure if there's any industry that touches humanity more directly and more thoroughly than the farming industry. It is my belief that the farmers of today are going to be at the center point, ground zero, of our technologic and philosophic transformation towards a really cooperative relationship to Mother Nature. And in so doing, transition us from this consumptive species that's sucking life out of the planet to a co-creative species in which we synergistically build life within Mother Nature's design. Our farmers are equipped with that tenacity of spirit that is so desperately needed when transformation is called. All of the farmers that we've gotten to work with in these recent years, through our documentaries and now our nonprofit, we get to see this real sense of hope and capacity for problem solving that is just waiting for a little tiny spark of support. And I'm very excited to bring you the opportunity to engage in Planet Earth Home. Our educational front through Farmer's Footprint, our documentary series, is really there to help you get the message out to your loved ones, to your family, to understand why we have to change as consumers. But as you're inspired by that information, we then turn your attention towards Planet Earth Home, where we can say, farmers, we can see the plight that we've created for you. In our inability and unwillingness to create and participate in the food chain, we've put extreme demands on you. And it was the chemical companies, not us as consumers, that stepped up to support you. The bankers and those chemical companies that would create codependent relationship with you have really neutered your ability to move towards solution-based opportunities for producing a truly healthy ecosystem of farming. And so we really aim with this nonprofit to bring all of the stakeholders to one table to say we all have one mission now. To save the planet, to save the species, we have to transform our relationship to our food chain. And so through Planet Earth Home, we are bringing the education and the research and development and the marketplace incentives to bring farmers through that necessary transition from GMO, chemical farming, to true regenerative agriculture, leaving behind the decaying truth of organic and non-GMO kind of certifications and practices to one where we actually build soil health. We create more vitality in the Mother Earth that would grow food for us rather than deleting out or subtracting, consuming her resources. Farming is our future, and we're very honored to be a part of it through this nonprofit. And it's just always just humbling to realize what a tiny part of the solution my medical field will be. Ultimately, the farmers will be the solution for planet health and people health. The medical system needs to step out of the way as fast as possible. We need to stop, this diluting effect of promise of cures and medical technologies and new longevity technologies and all that. No, it's going to be our farmers that will transform human health and biology and ultimately longevity on this planet. And so engage your local farmers, and not just through nonprofits, but get out there to your CSAs, your farmers markets, get out into the community, grow food yourself, become a small-scale farmer. If that's just a mint plant in your window, good for you. Get that engagement level. If you can grow a few basil and tomato plants this next summer in the driveway, wherever you can, just get this plant life engaged. Find Mother Nature's truths in these little engagements. Your mood will improve. Your sense of hope will improve. You will start to be a participatory agent in this creative process that nature's calling us to. And so farmers lead us. The rest of us are there to support you. And I'm very excited to see a new socioeconomic structure built around you.